Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, CSS Deputy President, yangu itakuwa machache sana because of time. Your Excellency, mine is just to thank you for appointing our son and my friend, Dr. Raymond Omolo, as a PS Internal Security. As an MP from this area, Your Excellency, tunajua umeingia kazini saa ile mawimbi yako mengi. Wewe kama captain wa hii vessel inaitwa Kenya, tunakuomba mheshimiwa ukai tuna nguvu kudhibiti meli inaitwa Kenya na endelee mbele. Dothura untie. Ada mwana wach kama. Apaka ngeny kosok ngeny. Apaka ngeny lo kamano. Uyena mwana watigi rais kosok kitu wakitigi rais. Jadi mwenye mwana watigi rais mwana kenu maendeleo Nyanza ka. Mtukufu rais amesema wametupatia idhini tufanye kazi na wewe na tulete maendeleo hapa Nyanza. Asante sana, karibu Nyanza.
Asante Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency the Deputy President, all protocol observed. I want to thank you for three things. First, for giving Ray a job. And Ray, the Bible tells me in the first book of Thessalonians 5:16, 17, 18, give thanks, rejoice, pray until something happens. I, as your friend, I call upon the Lord to bless you. As put in the First Chronicles 4:9, the prayer of Jabez. May the Lord expand your territory. Your Excellency, secondly, I want to thank you for nominating the Chief of General Staff from Siaya, Francis Ogola. We are very happy with you. Number three, for nominating C.S. Owalo. Your Excellency, the people of Game are pregnant. They are waiting for your coming. Today was the day you were supposed to come, but we are here. I'm sure in the next couple of days, they will know when your visitation will be right. Your Excellency, Karoli heard what I was saying in the morning, that for the first time in the history of Kenya, all the MPs in Kenya, they're not talking about it, we have received CDF by the 10th of July. Nobody, for 5 years I was in Parliament, we always received the last batch in October. And people, even those who are talking about taxes, the counties have already received all their monies. And they are saying, don't collect tax. I challenge them. If they really believe we should not collect tax, they should not tax our mothers in the markets. I'm challenging them. Because they cannot talk left, right, and they're getting money direct from your government. Your Excellency, I believe we are on the right track, we are on the right direction, and we will be judged correctly. You know what Jala said? Our team, they'll be given 1 letter each. I am the only one who has been given 2 letters. I'll be told to have someone on Tuesday and someone on Wednesday. I know why they are summoning me. Tutakutana huku mbele, asanteni sana.
Finally, Mheshimiwa. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Osoro. Your Excellency the President, the Deputy President, the Cabinet Secretary is present, and the PSS and all dignitaries. Nyasaye ber, seche duto. Your Excellency, indeed it would have not been very good if I don't speak, because I am also a member of this church. Now, unajua, my first time coming to State House when we met with you, we came with our global president. And you know the instructions alipeana hiyo siku. Leo tumekuja hapa and it's a Sabbath day, is a very special day for us. Na umesikia hata mahubiri yetu, it is clinically and scientifically delivered. Sio hii ingine. Hawa watu kwa hii kanisa yetu, all the pastors must go to the university, hata ndo wameita vice chancellor unaona hapa. Kwa hivyo hata kama mimi najua waziri Kindiki anasumbuka na ile sheria, chukua script kutoka hapa kwa hao watu wa kanisa wakwambie how to run a proper church. And thank you very much for the powerful words. Your Excellency, we want to thank you for visiting this region, particularly Homa Bay. I thought it was 3 times, but I've been told it is 4th time that you're coming here within a year. We continue to welcome you. Wengine wetu, tuko under a lot of pressure. Msikia Mheshimiwa Jalango amesema tumeitwa Disciplinary Committee. Mimi nimepata barua yangu. Makosa nimeandikiwa ati nilikuja kwa ofisi yako kuona the President of the Republic of Kenya. Baada ya hiyo tukaenda kwa Deputy President. Sasa mimi nashindwa, in my day-to-day running of activity, I am a member of parliament in the National Assembly. I oversight your government. We interact with you even in committees of parliament through your officers. What is wrong in me discharging my duties in asking you within the vastness of the nation, as you are considering other regions, ukumbuke watu ya Migori na watu ya Nyanza? Iko makosa? Benitie makosa kanyo. Lakini sisi tutaenda. The next thing I wanted to tell you, Your Excellency, kabla ukuje hapa, and I think it's a very big issue, watu wamekuwa wakisema hapa. At our border in Sondu, in fact, that is the latest thing watu wanajaribu kusensationalize around this area. Atio watu kutoka Kalenjin wanaua Wajaluo pale Sondu. Sisi na nyinyi ni Nilots. Sisi ni mandugu na tumekaa kwa amani. Today you are here. I spoke to the CS Interior. He said he was there in the morning. Your Excellency, you are here. And I think part of that sensationalization, hiyo kuiweka watu waanze kuona huruma, ilikuwa ni kwa sababu your PS for Interior was having a homecoming. I am sure the Senator for Kericho is here, the Senator for Kisumu is here, and all of us leaders from this region, including your good self, Your Excellency, tusaidie hiyo mambo iishe kabisa, au watu wakae chini, hiyo mambo ya conflict ikuishe. The other thing I wanted to say, and this I want to say on behalf of the church, Your Excellency, kanisa yetu nimetushikilia sana, and there's a very predominant church around this area. Wakati walikuwa hapa, ulisikia wakiintroduce hapa tuko na ma-presidents, alafu waka-introduce iko jamaa yao ya protocol. Pastor Ken, hebu simama. Pastor Ken yuko wapi? Kuja hapa rais, hata uende msalimie. Huyu, this is the gentleman who organizes the church. Anapanganga hata hawa watu wengine wote. Mimi najua unatupenda, umetupatia Raymond. Ukipata nafasi mahali kidogo hapo, Your Excellency, kumbuka huyu Pastor Ken, weka yeye mahali hapo akae. Akwayo kusoka kwayo. And finally, on issues economic in this area, vile wamekuambia mambo ya samaki and cotton in this area, mimi natoka pande ya Sugar Belt. Tusaidie ile factory ya sukari ikuamue, watu waanze kupata pesa. Mwisho, tumekaa na wewe more than 5 times. There is not a single time in any of those meetings ambayo umeongelesha sisi mambo ya siasa. Many people think here every time that we seek even an appointment to come, unatuongelesha mambo ya siasa. You have always asked us, ni nini unataka tufanye? You came to my constituency. There are promises that you made. I want to report here, Your Excellency, that we are making very good progress with your officials. And after thinking about another 2 weeks like this, I'll be seeking the Minister for Health and the Prime Cabinet Secretary, wanakuja kufungua pale groundbreaking, hospitali inaanza kujengwa. Wewe kuja tufanye maendeleo, wengine wataongea, ikifika usiku watalala. Asanteni sana.
Dakika moja yako imekuwa 5. Dakika moja, mheshimiwa.